Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Come here, Sasha. You ready to get started? Yeah, what are we going to do?
Make a computer.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
good
are.
job.
Okay. Come closer. Okay, let's start with the M.2 drive. Oh. What-
Dada,
Sasha, this is the M.2 heat sink.
I'm falling, Dada.
Okay.
Stand up. Stand up.
Can you stand up?
Stand
Can
up.
you stand
Mom.
next to Tumby?
Okay, come.
And next to brother.
Okay.
Hold his hand.
Okay.
You stay.
My hand. He's not holding my hand.
Hey, you want a toy? It's a toy.
Wow.
Yeah, அதே எடுக்காத. ஏன்னா இதை press பண்ணி விட்டான்.
It's okay.
No, it's doing something.
It's recording.
Okay.
Where does the guy go?
Oh. I'm spotting it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Akka.
So we
Want to
just
come here? Come.
Yeah. You can bring
No,
him
you come.
next
No,
to.
you come here.
No, I don't want it.
No,
You
you have to be there. You have to be there.
Okay. Look, let's check out this. So this is a 2 terabyte M.2 drive. It's made by Sabrent. It's Rocket 4.0. Can you open it?
Oh.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, good job. Good job. Thank you.
Right,
I'll
come.
go behind.
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
that's it. Thank you.
No, no, I'm fine.
Wow.
I got it.
You did it. You did it.
Okay, so let's just put it inside. The other way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. And now,
Yay!
yeah, we got it. Let's go take this. So this is a thermal pad, and it's supposed to help
Yeah.
dissipate the heat.
Yeah.
Oh. You go over there.
Papa Ma, we're making a computer, Papa Ma.
We're making a computer.
Papa Ma. Papa Ma. What are you watching, Papa Ma?
Computer.
I'm making a computer with Dada.
Yeah.
What are you why making, Dada?
I'm putting the screw on. Can you turn it? Come here, turn it this way, like that. Can you turn? Yeah. Good job. Yeah.
No, cut your hand.
Don't clap.
Okay, let's put this side on.
Huh?
Okay.
Where's the screw?
It's right there. Can you turn it? Can you turn the screwdriver? Right here, up here. Ready? Go. Yeah, there you go. Keep turning.
Mama.
Keep turning. Yeah.
Hey, stand up.
Can you say, Stumpy, can you say mama in your pirate voice? Mama. Loudly.
Boy.
Okay, good. That's good.
Computer.
Okay.
I want my board. Hey, that's
Hey, big guy. Okay.
the battery. Something.
Okay.
Where's my battery?
I don't know. Okay. So we finished that. Now it's time to put the memory on.
Memory.
Where's the memory?
Go find memory.
Okay. I will get it.
Thank you.
Can you open this?
Yeah, I'll open it. Come
Dada will open.
Come here. I'll open it.
Give it to Dada, please.
Okay, thank you.
Oh no. Oh, the memory went down.
That's okay. Come over here.
Come here. Come over here.
Papa.
Sasha, come.
Baby.
Sasha, go stand next to Papa and Dada.
Keep watching.
Okay, wait. I take the tape off. I don't know why they put tape on this, but they put tape. Okay. So,
Huh?
can you help me put the first one in?
Yeah.
And then Tata will do number 2. And Mama will do number 3. And Tambi will do number 4. Okay.
So what will Papa Ma do?
Watch. Okay, ready? Push down. Push down. Push down, push hard. Okay, this side. This side, push hard. Okay, good job. Good job. Yes. Okay. Good job.
And who's gonna do the other one?
Oh, Tata's gonna do the next
No.
one.
Papa, mine.
No, you come. No, you come
So I'll
first.
do the last
No,
one.
there's no more. Okay, come here. This is the last one. Come,
No,
come.
there's a bunch.
No, no,
Come on, come on.
This one, you can, Papa, you, Papa.
no, no. She doesn't.
Oh, you too. We're recording so we can create a
Mom.
memory.
On my side.
We make
Tata.
some Papa butter.
Tata.
My turn. No, okay. 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 Just.
Today, corrector can you today?
It's fine, it's fine. Just put it in. Stick it down. Squeeze. Mine, you go pretty good. Then I'll look pretty good.
Correct answer can you
Let me see, let me see.
Let me see.
Sit somewhere.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. I'm putting it, I'm putting it, putting it.
இப்படி வரல வை உன் தங்க வரல வை மேல வை
Yay! Good job. Okay. Sarah?
Me and Tati together?
You alone and me and Tommy together. Unless you want to do it with him.
Okay.
What's that? What are you gonna do?
And Mama's gonna put the third one.
T-Force.
Oh,
Okay.
it's meeting.
Okay.
So
Okay.
use this one.
Thank you.
Me.
Yeah, you can keep that. Can you hold it? Okay, Mama. Okay, let me set it.
The third track.
Yeah, here, I'll set it in.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Push it down.
Yes.
Yay. Did it go down?
No,
No.
No?
get lack weights.
Ah,
Good.
Sasha.
Very good, very good. Mama did a good job. I think that's
Garbage. Yep. Yeah, it's up. There. This one. This side. This side.
What's
press
this
that.
one?
Oh, push this side. Okay, okay.
Wait.
What do you have in my
Okay.
hand? Dada?
I think it's lined up.
Dada, what did I have in my hand?
Okay. Yep, that's good.
Dada,
All right.
what was?
Let me get that little guy.
Come, Devin.
Little guy.
Devin, come.
Your turn to put the memory.
This
It's
guy.
your time to put the
Your
input.
turn to put the
Dada,
Input
Dada, what
memory.
do I have in my hand?
Oh, you have a piece of cardboard.
I didn't know what today from you.
Yes.
Can I put it in this? Like a big
What?
pen.
Okay. That's a little tired.
Push it down, brother. You.
Okay. 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 This guy's very excited. He wants it. He wants it. Ah, yes.
I'll take
Okay.
him away before he destroys him.
Okay.
What does somebody do?
You put the memory.
Okay. Let's. So we finished the memory. Now we gotta take out this. Can you help me, Sasha? Turn it this way. Yeah.
I'm helping Dada.
Very good, now, very good. Good girl.
Can hold it by myself.
Okay. Yeah.
No.
Bambi, we're making a school driver.
Hey, can you not do that, please? Thank you.
Mama,
Sasha, what's the computer's name?
Mama.
Do you know what the computer's name is?
Sasha, what's the motherboard's name?
Huh, Tomahawk?
That's right, Tomahawk. And what's our CPU's name?
Pimming.
Ryzen.
Poison.
Ryzen. We have a Ryzen 9 5900X.
Uh-huh.
Do you know what that's selling it for on eBay?
Mm-hmm.
$800.
$800.
Yeah, people want it. We only paid $550 for it. That's okay. No, the retail price is $550. But it's in such short supply that people are price gouging on eBay. Okay. Let's clean up a little bit here. Okay. So now it's time to put the CPU in, right? The CPU in.
Yeah.
Can you not move that, please? Thank you. Let's see. So we gotta lift this lever up, and we gotta take our CPU out. Yes.
Yeah.
This is it. The crown jewel of our computer.
High five.
It's got 12 cores and 24 threads. Okay.
One. Here.
Take him just a second. Take him just a second.
Oh, okay. What did you do? Sit down. No. Up.
You wanna hold it?
No, new
Hold
idea.
it, hold it.
No, new idea. Monday. Anyway.
Okay. That.
Speed is coming in the corner. Okay. Put it on. You put it in. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, see this little like dot right there?
Yes.
So that dot goes right to this corner,
Okay.
I think.
Mama.
Indo,
Wait.
I love you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good job.
Okay. Now we gotta get the cooler on.
Cooler.
Yes.
Oh.
Ayo, kunin din talenti.
Oh.
Tala.
What's in there?
What's in there? It's a lot of air. It's cardboard.
Cardboard. It's empty. There's
Yeah.
nothing.
Cardboard.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, watch your head, brother bear.
Mama, that's cardboard.
That's a cardboard. Yes. Can I have a kissy kitty?
Here it is. This is our CPU cooler.
Oh, I love it when you do that.
Mama.
Yes. Watch your head, brother. Sasha, watch your head, brother. Come here. Indo. Indo.
Look good.
So let me tell you what we have, Sasha.
And let me tell you what you have.
Okay, thank you. So we have a 1660 EVGA NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics card. We have an M.2 drive that's got 2 terabytes of storage. It's Gen 4, so it's very fast. This is our cooler. It's a liquid cooler, and it has a little VRM fan. And then here is the
Melby.
memory. Yeah, that's right.
Melby.
You can't take it out because now it's being blocked by the radiator and the radiator fans. Okay, and then there's got two 200 millimeter fans in the front right here.
Oh.
And it's ARGB, addressable red, green, blue fans.
This is this.
Yeah, this is the 24-pin power connector. And these are a couple of SATA powered
And these are
cords.
blue.
And information cords. Actually, information. This one right here is USB 3.0, and here is the front input/outputs wires. Here is a USB 2.0 over here. Fan over here.
Yeah.
VRM is up here, and then this is the VRM heatsink.
Okay, I could get it.
Okay, don't do that, please. And here is the Wi-Fi and the back input/output. And let's just clean the lens because it's dirty. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's a lot better. Okay, can I see? Oh, don't touch the fan. Don't touch the fan. We did switch the fan. So initially the fan was going to blow outward, but now we have the fan blowing inward. And so it brings air in. These two 200 millimeter fans will bring air in, and then it'll get exhausted through the radiator upward. And then this graphics card also has a couple of fans at the bottom to keep it cool.
I need to put it in.
Okay, okay. Alright, can you don't do that? Please don't scratch.
I need to put it in.
And here is the front, which has two USB 3.0s, two USB 2.0s, and then this is the power button. Alright, let's see if this will post power on self-test and then boot. Hey, can you not do